in this chapter we are going to look after sets and weak sets. So sets are also reference data type like arrays, but the key feature is that we cannot have duplicate data. So they are just like array, but we cannot have duplicate data. As in the previous chapter we have seen the maps are like object, and here the sets are like arrays. So and we create a set by the new keyword, and we add item to set using the add method, not like the set method we used in map. So let's go to a JS bin and let's check now. So it is sets const my set equal to new set, just like the map we do it like this, but we add with my set dot add, not with set, and it is an array only. You can think it is an array only with unique values. So just array have just one item. So let me add 3 items, 2 3 console.log my set dot delete. Yeah, one more thing, delete is there, and in delete we have to pass the items. These two I have to pass this. Let me do one thing, do a console.log here, and as usual I will not see here, but because it doesn't show good here, I will let me open my console and then I will run it, because JSBin it doesn't show well. And when I run it, see the set will be, see here you cannot even expand it. The set will be shown as this 1 2 and 3. It is a sort of array but not an array, and this I have removed this 2, so it is showing it like this. And one more important thing in set, they're iterable like array. What does that mean? That means if I check the prototype, I will see the symbol.iterator. Okay, so let me close it and open it again, and let me comment it out. Now we will see another way, const or equal to 1 comma 5 comma 7 comma 8. We'll see another way to add the element in a set. So const new set equal to new set, and we can pass it here in the constructor here like this. We can pass it here. Now let me do console.log of new set, and there is another way to add. I will show that new set dot add, and 1 comma add 8, we are chaining it. And one more important thing which I want to show here is stat. See, already this one have 1 8, so if I add this again, it will just ignore it, it will not add it. So let's see what this 2 contains. So let me again inspect element, console, delete the earlier one, clear the earlier one, then run it. See, the first set 1 5 7 8, because this array it had taken here, and this is given 1 5 7 8, and 1 5 7 8 10, it didn't added 1 and 8 again. So this is the set, it doesn't contain duplicate item. So now let's do one more thing. As they're iterable, we have seen, so what we can do, we can also iterate over it through anything, but let iterate over it through for of loop, because they are the most easiest one. And let item of new set console.log item. Let me remove this console so that we can see what is there. Inspect element, clear it, console, delete it, run it. See, this one is coming from this and this. We are iterating over it, so each item is showing. So we close it now. Now what we are going to see, we are going to see a practical example. Actually, that practical example is it has been used in many places, so we are going to see that practical example of a set. So many times we require to remove duplicates from an array. It's a common interview question also, and it is required in production level application also. So let's see that. Let me remove this all and let me show you the practical example. Let there be a duplicate array. So the question will be like that: remove duplicates from a array 1 5 7 8, again 1, again 1 8, and again. So 1 and 8 are duplicate. So the question we have to remove from this array. So we can do it in one line. Unique array arr. See, first we can remove it with like this: new set dupes. We're creating a new array and passing it here. Okay, so let me do one thing: console.log of unique array. Let me open the inspect element, clear it, console, anything is there, yeah, delete it. So now see, we got a set with 1 5 7 8 10, but our original question was that we want to get an array which doesn't have duplicate, but it is a set. It is like array, but it is not an array. So what we need to do, we need to convert this into an array, and to convert this into an array, we will use the spread operator. Give it inside an array and then dot dot dot, clear it. Let me run it now. See, it was set here and it become array here. So this is how we can do it. Now the next thing which we are going to look into is weak set. So what are weak set? It became small again. So we are going to look into weak set. So weak set are similar to what weak map have. They means they do a good garbage collection. If you delete something, delete it at that instance. So I'm not going to show it here, but the main thing which a weak set have similar to weak map is that they holds only object. So they objects as their item. So weak sets also is an array type of thing which will have items, but those items have to be an object. So what is that? So let me show. Let me clear this also. Const weak set equal to new weak set. Now ws dot add. Let me add a simple number just like this. Is it possible? I'm going to check, is it possible to do that? Let me run it, and it is giving me error. Weak set must be an object, got one, means it is not allowed. So what we need to do, we cannot do it like this. So we have to send objects only. So A1, B2, console.log to S. Now let me run it and see, weak set is there. So it is a very good container. In most of JavaScript, what happens, we have array of objects in most of the projects, so we can use this weak set there. See, it is an array of, sort of array, not array, but array of objects, which is allowed. And one more thing I want to show, this prototype, just like it doesn't have any iterator, symbol.iterator. So this completes our chapter. See you soon in the next chapter.